Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fee, and today I'm going to make seafood boiled. Yes, you heard me right, seafood boiled. But before we do so, please to clean all your seafood. Look at mine, I don't know what's that, and my crab, it looked like some egg. I don't know what it is. Well, I went ahead and I cleaned it up. Make sure to clean yours. It is important to clean them because you don't want to put all of that in your pot, right? Exactly. I wouldn't want to do the same. That's why I went ahead and I cleaned mine. So clean them up, including the clam and everything else you have. Just brush them if you have a brush in your kitchen. For the seafood boil, I'm adding celery, carrots, thyme, escallion or green onion, whatever you call it where you're from. I'm using lemon, white onion, and garlic. I also add 1 bag of crab boiled to my pot with some Old Bay. Jamaican, this part is for you. You don't have to do all of this. Just season up your pot like you make some fish soup. Just like how you normally make a fish soup, just do the same thing. And all of that good. You just flavor your water how you want to flavor it. All of this thing here, so not really necessary. Also, I went in with a pepper, of course, and a little salt. I didn't want to use a lot of salt because I didn't want my water to be salty. Actually, what I wanted from the water was more of the flavor from the celery and the carrots and the other stuff. I'm using the white potatoes because they were just as perfect as the red one. And my reason for cooking my potatoes first because they take a longer time to cook. But the corn, they take like 7 minutes. But Jamaican only not try that because you know if we can take 45 minutes to an hour to cook. So please cook the corn them first. Well, my clams, they're finished. Clams take like 4 to 3 minutes to cook. Once they're open, they're ready. As you can see, I went in with some sausage earlier. Guys, you can also add boiled egg if you like. And don't forget, don't overcook your shrimp. Please, don't overcook your shrimp. What's the code thing to show you that your shrimp is cooked? They change color. Don't overcook your shrimp. I only allow these shrimp to cook for 4 minutes and then I remove them from the water because they're still hot and they're still cooking. So 4 minutes was long enough. The crab legs are already cooked, but I went ahead and I add them to my water because I want them to get some of the good flavor from that pot. You don't have to do that. You can just wait until you turn off your fire and allow the water to get cold and you just put them in the water just to get some of the flavor. But for me, this was a good idea. If you want to do it, you can. If you don't, that's okay. At this point, everything was cooked, so I turned off the flame and I removed everything from the hot water. Just because I didn't want it to continue cooking. Now it's time to make the sauce, and I'm actually using 4 ounces of butter, or it can be 1 stick or half cup or 113 grams of butter. I don't know what your measurement is. I'm going to allow that to melt. I add my chopped onion and chopped garlic to my melted butter, and I'm going to allow it to cook until it's transparent. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for my new viewers, might as well you subscribe to my channel if you're this far in my video. And now I'm going to add in my Cajun spice. And of course, guys, I got you. The recipe is in the description box. And I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of water. Remember, as I said before, if you want more sauce, add more water and double the recipe. But for me, this was perfect. I'm going to allow my sauce to simmer for 5 minutes. But just before I did that, I had to add some brown sugar because it was too spicy. And yes, I cut down on the spice in the recipe. Look at that sauce. You see that butter on top? I'm telling you, it was so good. But if you don't want to put all the sauce over your seafood, just put some in a container and you can dip your seafood in it. But for me, I had to put everything on. It was so good. Guys, make sure to try this at home, or if you do try it at home, please send me pictures so I can put them on my Instagram page. And this tastes so good. Even if you have like fried fish, you can probably eat this with fried fish. This sauce, you can probably try it with fried fish or something. So you can try this sauce at home. But it's really good. Look at that. I'm just using some lemon wedges for garnishing. And of course, some dry parsley. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because my videos, they only get better. So of course you want to be a part of this family, right?